In today's menu, we have the most liked main course vegetarian recipe. It is the Matar Paneer, and the ingredients for which are: heat oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. We have to saute it for few seconds on low flame so that the flavors are nicely infused in the oil. Then we are going to add half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it nicely. Now add 1 cup of onion paste, and we have to cook our onions till the color of the onions are changed and the moisture is evaporated. Onions are done. Now we are going to add our dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Now we are going to roast our spices. We will roast our spices till they turn aromatic. Add in some water and roast it nicely. Add 1 cup of tomato puree. Mix it well. Add in 2 green chilies. Mix it and roast the masala till the oil separates. Add in 1 cup of peas, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. We are going to add in water. Add a little more water. Mix it. Now we are going to cover the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add some crushed kasuri methi. Paneer pieces. Give it a quick mix, and then we are going to add water, adjusting the consistency of the gravy. If you want a thick gravy, then add less water. If you want it a little runny, add more water. The choice is totally yours. Oil has started to separate. Now our paneer is done. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Transfer it to a serving dish. Our Matar Paneer is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you like the recipe, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.